Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the menu button. So let's press and hold it to open the menu. Once you open the menu, use the up and down buttons to scroll down through the menu, or scroll through the menu rather, not down. Scroll through the menu until you find the system option. It's at the bottom of the list. Once you select the system, press the GPS button to enter. Now, scroll down, select the time option and press the GPS. And here, scroll down through the menu, find the option called Set Time, select it, then press GPS. And now select the manual option, press GPS. And once you select the manual, you will see the time option right below the set time. You can select it, press GPS. And now we can set the time according to our preferences by using the up and down buttons to adjust the hours. And once you're done with hours, press the GPS to adjust the minutes. And then press GPS again to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.